How cute is this Christmas pizza? I'm going to show you all how I made it step by step. Let's go. I feel like I live my life 2 months in advance because I'm always working on what's coming up. And so I was actually making this Christmas tree pizza the other day, and I hope it's not too early to share because it is so cute. You can just save it for Christmas time. But basically, I took one of those pre-made pizzas. It already had the pepperoni and stuff. I took the pepperoni off, then put it back on after cutting it into a triangle shape. And I did bake the ends that I cut off. They were perfectly delicious as well to serve with this. But so all I did was pop that in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And then it was this beautiful looking Christmas tree pizza. And I'll definitely be making this again in the season, I am sure. It was delicious, ready so quickly, and it was so easy to start with the pre-made pizza. So you can definitely try this at home, make it a little fancier and festive, finish it with some fresh basil and sauce on the side. Delicious. Perfect. Just put some fresh basil, put that served on the side. Okay, and then it was time to make the tree. So I just followed their cooking instructions. So for the Whole Foods pizza, it's 425 degrees Fahrenheit, about 10 minutes. How cute is this? It really only added on like 1 minute to cut out the triangle and the stump. And this is a really cute thing to serve for Christmas. Stay tuned for more ideas at Sip, Bite, Go. Cheers.